Hello, welcome to your channel ASAP to all. Here we make things simple to you all. If you are scared about the coronavirus situation and the expenses relating to it, then this is the right video for you. Today we are going to talk about insurance for coronavirus. We will be also evaluating different available options in detail and will help you in decide which one is best for you. Just to start, we should just see what is the current situation of the pandemic is. The virus has infected more than 93 lakh people in the world, and which is increasing with 1.6 lakh every day. That means every day 1.6 lakh new people are getting infected. While India's situation is not quite different. More than 4.5 lakh people have got infected till now, and every day more than 15,000 people are getting infected. It is spreading in India with no respite till now. There are reports which states that peak of the virus is still some time away and many more people will get infected. Also with now people starting to go out of their homes to work, these numbers may rise even faster. We suggest you to stay at home as much as possible and stay safe. In case someone gets coronavirus, you will not believe the cost of the treatment. Unlike any other blood test, corona test is quite expensive, with its cost ranging from 2400 to 4500. Added over that is the requirement of having more than one test in a matter of 10 to 15 days. In addition, due to the shortage of hospitals, the cost of hospitalization has also increased substantially. Consider the case of India, in particular in Delhi, where the government has put in a cap on the maximum amount which a hospital can charge. Still it is costing 8,000 to 18,000 per day. Just imagine if a patient is admitted for few days, what will be the total cost? These costs are apart from the loss of any income which the infected person will face due to the quarantine or the hospitalization. All this is enough to give anyone headache and stress about the money which is required for the treatment. So what's the solution? What you can do right now to avoid this cost? There are companies like ICICI Lombard, Reliance General Insurance, Bharti AXA, Digit and Star Health Insurance. You can go for a coronavirus from these particular players. Let's simplify these covers for you. Let's talk about these 5 insurance covers. In Reliance, you get a 50,000 to 3 lakh rupees insurance cover, while in Star, you can get a 21,000 rupees or a 42,000 rupees cover, while in Bharti AXA and ICICI Lombard, you can buy a 25,000 cover only, while in Digit, you can go for either a 1 lakh, 2 lakh or a 3 lakh option. There are 2 types of covers which these companies are providing. One which gives you full amount upfront and leaves it up to you how you want to spend that amount, while the other one gives medical expenses reimbursement. So Reliance and Digital give you medical expenses reimbursement. So if you want to take a policy of let's say 1 lakh, and if the hospital bill is only 75,000, you will only get 75,000 as a claim. While ICICI Star and Bharti AXA gives the overall amount full upfront once you are diagnosed with the coronavirus. As Reliance and Digit are giving you medical insurance, so they require a must hospitalization. Home isolation is not considered. The same is with Star also. It will give you amount upfront but requires hospitalization. In case of Bharti as well as ICICI, you don't require a hospitalization. There are different age groups which are eligible to buy these plans, so just be careful of that. Most of these policies except Bharti AXA have waiting period of 15 days, which means you can only claim the amount after 15 days of buying the policy. Except Star and Bharti AXA, other policies require foreign travel restrictions. In case of Reliance, to be eligible, you should not have traveled to any foreign country in the last 45 days. While in Digit, the same period is 30 days. While ICICI has a restriction period of since 31st of December 2019. If we go into extra details, Reliance gives you benefit of pre-hospitalization expenses for 30 days and post-hospitalization expenses for 60 days, which means you can take reimbursement of expenses incurred 30 days before the hospitalization and even 60 days after the hospitalization. It also offers benefits like daily cash, ambulance charges reimbursement, etc. Star offers you an option to buy a family cover, while Bharti AXA offers you additional benefit in case of quarantine in a government or a military facility. They will give you 50% of the sum assured. ICICI Lombard offers additional benefits like ambulance facility and free doctor consultation on phone. Digit offers 1% of the sum insured as ambulance benefit and pre and post hospitalization similar to Reliance. But the biggest advantage of Digit is that you are eligible if you have any existing disease like diabetes, liver, kidney, or heart disease. So don't go for this digital insurance if you have any of these diseases. When we compare the premiums, ICICI is the cheapest with the lowest sum assured as well. Bharti AXA for the same cover costs much more because of zero waiting period as well as no travel history restrictions. Now the time is to choose which one is best for you. If you are looking for the cheapest cover and a cover with the lowest exclusions, go for the ICICI Lombard one. It is just for 159 rupees one time payment and it will give you 25,000 rupees as soon as you are tested positive for the coronavirus. If you have travel history in 2020 and don't want a 15-day waiting period, then go for the Bharti AXA insurance. Finally, if you don't have any other health insurance right now and feel that 25,000 cover will not be enough for you, then go for the Reliance cover, either a 2 lakh rupee or a 3 lakh rupee cover. Now the question arises where to buy these insurance. You may not find these insurance on the website of the companies. You have to go to a particular platform to buy these insurances. So you can buy the Reliance insurance from the Paytm mobile app. You can buy the Star insurance from their website starhealth.in. You can buy the Bharti AXA insurance from the Airtel Thanks app, but you should be a Airtel Payments Bank customer for this. For the ICICI Lombard, you can buy it from the Flipkart mobile app, PhonePe app, or the ET Money app. Similarly, for the digital insurance, you can buy it from either Flipkart, PhonePe, or MobiKwik app. Just do remember, except Star, all the other insurances are available only on the mobile app, not on the websites. Just go to the mobile apps only. So, few things to remember out of this video. With coronavirus spreading, better to buy an insurance cover if you don't have any health cover. This will help you cover and absorb the medical cost. Just be careful about the two insurance cover which are available right now. One is on the medical expenses reimbursement side. The second is on the lump sum payment, which gives you lump sum payment once you are diagnosed with the coronavirus. So decide accordingly. The good thing about all these insurances is that it can be bought online and requires no medical test while at the time of the buying the insurance. Please be careful about the waiting period and the past international travel history so that there is no issue when you go for the claims. Also, please remember that for the claim, the test from ICMR or government approved labs will only be accepted by the insurance company. Don't go with the coronavirus test from any random lab or clinic. You can find the list of the ICMR and government approved labs in the description of this video. Thank you everyone for watching this video. We hope we simplified the topic for you. Please do like and share this video with your friends and family so that they can also be covered against the coronavirus. Many more informative but simplified videos coming soon on this channel. So please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified about the new video. Signing off. Thank you.